Welcome to this tutorial on Phantom Wallet Login, a comprehensive guide to understanding the benefits and usage of this popular digital wallet. In this tutorial, we will cover the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices of using Phantom Wallet Login. First, let's start with the basics. Phantom Wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, particularly Solana. It is a non-custodial wallet, meaning that users have full control over their assets and private keys. The Phantom Wallet login process is secure and straightforward, allowing users to access their wallet from any device. One of the main reasons to use Phantom Wallet login is its ease of use. The wallet is designed to be user-friendly, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate and manage your assets. Additionally, Phantom Wallet Login provides a high level of security, with features such as two-factor authentication and encryption to protect your assets. Another benefit of using Phantom Wallet Login is its compatibility with multiple devices. The wallet can be accessed from a desktop computer, laptop, or mobile device, making it easy to manage your assets on the go. This is particularly useful for users who need to access their wallet from different locations or devices. To use Phantom Wallet Login, you will need to create an account and set up your wallet. This involves downloading and installing the Phantom Wallet software, creating a password and username, and generating a recovery phrase. The recovery phrase is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to your account. So it is essential to store it in a safe and secure location. Once you have set up your wallet, you can use Phantom Wallet Login to access your account from any device. Simply enter your username and password, and you will be able to view your balance, send and receive assets, and manage your wallet settings. In terms of best practices, it is essential to keep your Phantom Wallet login credentials secure. This includes using a strong and unique password, enabling two-factor authentication, and storing your recovery phrase in a safe and secure location. Additionally, it is recommended to regularly update your wallet software to ensure you have the latest security features and updates. In conclusion, Phantom Wallet Login is a secure and user-friendly way to manage your digital assets. With its ease of use, high level of security, and compatibility with multiple devices, it is an excellent choice for anyone looking to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. By following the best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can ensure that your Phantom Wallet login experience is safe and secure.